Hello everyone, let's learn how to turn off activity status on Instagram. The activity status feature shows people you've direct messaged when you were last online and whether you're currently active on Instagram, so if you want to turn it off, follow my steps. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, let's open Instagram app on your device. After that, go on your profile by tapping on little icon of your profile in bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the side menu, and then click on First Option Settings and Privacy. Now you are on this menu, and then scroll down to find Messages and Story Replies. Then open last option Show Activity Status by tapping on it. Now you can see these two options. The first option allow accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you were last active or are currently active on Instagram apps. When this is turned off, you won't be able to see the activity status of other accounts. And the second option allow accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you're both active in the same chat. You'll also be able to see when they're active in the same chat. So go to disable second option by clicking on it, and you are finished. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.